So we've been into Google Classroom for a day or so now. You might be noticing you get quite a few email notifications. I'll include a link that shows you how to customize your notifications, but one way to tame your inbox during this time is by using tabs. So if you notice right now, because I just cleaned and organized, my main email tab only has one email in it. But then if I click over here, there's all my Google Classroom stuff. So if you want to do that, so it doesn't all pile into one inbox and then your important stuff really gets lost in the shuffle, come over to your settings and you want to configure your inbox, and you can turn on these tabs and it will tell you what these tabs do. So primary means if it's person-to-person email, it will come here, or if you deem it important. And it's nice because Google is considered smart. It learns as you go. You can drag things to different tabs and it'll be like, oh, okay, that's important. I'll put it in primary all the time. Social would be social networking things. Promotions are the ads that come, but updates are things that come from Google Classroom and other groups. And then forums would most likely be what comes from our administrators or email that I might send you to the Everyone group. So if you decide to turn that on, what's nice is if something showed up here and I was like, oh, you know what, that's really important, I can drag it up here and it will ask me if I want to move it and keep all current conversations there. So if you do that by tabbing your inbox under the settings, you'll notice it makes things a little bit more organized.